Welcome, in front of me is a CUBOT X19 S, and today I'll show you how to wipe cache partition on this phone. So to get started, hold the power key and select power off. And once the device turns off, you want to hold the power key and volume up. So power and volume up at the same time. Once you see this mode, you can let go, and then using only volume up to navigate, you want to select the first option and press volume down to confirm it. And once you see the no command Android, hold power key and press volume up once, which will take you to the recovery mode. Now from here you can use both of the volume keys to navigate, and from there scroll down to the wipe cache partition option and confirm it with power key. Once you see the data or cache wipe complete at the bottom, reboot system now should be selected by default, so press power key once more to simply go back to your Android system. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.